In this video, I will show you how to set up AnyDesk Access Control. Let's launch the AnyDesk app. In the top right corner, click on the 3 vertical lines. In the drop-down menu, click on Settings. In the left side menu, click on the Access options and unlock the Access settings. A pop-up should appear on the display. Here you will see the Access Control list. Now turn on the Restrict Client option. If we enable the Access Control setting and allow a device ID in the Access Control list, this device will be included in the whitelist to access AnyDesk. Beside the list, click on the plus icon to add a device ID to this list. Now type the device ID that you want to connect with your PC. After typing the device ID, click on the plus icon to add the device to the Access Control list. Once added, close the pop-up. If we check the access options again, we can see the device ID we just added is now listed. I will now connect this device remotely using the Access Control listed ID. You can see both device IDs match and I accept this device access. You can see a device request pop-up has appeared on the display. The ID of the device matches the ID I just added. That's why this device can send me a connection request. Only the IDs I add to this list will be able to send me a connection request. Following these steps, you can manage and whitelist access as you like.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.